There's another one. Mark 2 Hurricane, and of course the Sea Hurricane Mark 1B. You can almost imagine some poor old Blenheim pilot tasked with a solar reconnaissance mission with his escort there, can't he? Of course, from the aircraft restoration company, now responsible for that Blenheim, does a superb job of keeping it in immaculate condition. Coming back to Garrison as a pair. As I said, Hawker Sea Hurricane Mark 1B, the collection's own Hurricane. Hurricane Mark 2, G8. During his career, served with both 759 and 880 squadrons of the Fleet Aero. .185 horsepower in the Merlin 20 in the nose of the RC Hurricane. In July 1940, he was involved in the Battle of Britain, allocated B flight, involved in several dogfights. Mark 1, it would have been equipped with 8 303 machine guns. There's a Mark 2 that he was upgraded to. 4 20mm Espana Mark 2 cannons in the wings. They carried a wide variety of bombs and tools. Well, I have been told on a good day today you might get 850 out of it. But a lovely thing to hear. Without doubt, one of the toughest fighter aircraft of its generation. I say you can only truly be complimented by your enemies. When Adolf Garland was said of the Hurricane that you could shoot all your ammunition into it and have great big lumps fly off, but it just still keep flying as if nothing had happened.
One other thing that made the Hurricane successful was not only its construction, but the fact that it was in production in good time. And that was due to the foresight of one Thomas Sopwith Esquire, who was chairman of Hawker, and who authorised the production of 600 aircraft before the MOD had actually bothered to order it. That meant that production was running pretty well by the time that we got to 1939. In early 1939, the Spitfire was about to be cancelled.
The biggest strength of the Hurricane was in fact its construction technique. Not just by City Cameron Hawkers, but by a colleague of his and his factory chairman, Fred Sickles. What they did was they actually made the aircraft out of struts and longerons that had flattened ends pierced to take bolts, so you could just bolt the structure together. Use rigging wires inside it, hold it rigidly. But what you had was a structure that you could repair very quickly without the need to go to a specialist metal shop. First fitted to right the way through to the Typhoon, thanks to a very lightweight and very strong spar. Of course, the centre body of the aircraft and everything else hangs on. But the Hurricane is, for my money, without doubt, the most unsung hero of the Second World War, because we had it in huge numbers and we had it when we needed it. That was the real key with this aeroplane. And we had it first, it was first in the Battle of Britain, and certainly the most numerous fighter we had in the Battle of Britain. From there to Malta, by the time more advanced aircraft showed up, things like Spitfires and Typhoons and so on and so forth, the Hurricane had largely turned the tide of the battle. In my mind, very much the unsung hero. First Royal Air Force aircraft to carry rocket projectiles into battle. 4 60-pound rocket projectiles mounted under the wings. Gave the individual Hurricane the same destructive firepower as a broadside from a light cruiser. Quite something for a small, lightweight aeroplane. Quite a machine.
Talking of unsung heroes, one of the top Hurricane pilots was a gentleman called Marmaduke St John Pattle, known to everybody in the RAF as Pattle. Some of the documentation has been lost, but there's good evidence to feel that Pattle actually managed to down more than 50 enemy aircraft, mainly flying over rated by both Bob Tuck and Douglas Bardi. It was a very sound shooting platform, very stable platform when they were firing. It was light for its solidity.
Mine was turned a bit. Thing I love, story I love about the Hurricane was Judge and Lacey, James Lacey, when he first saw one. Judge Lacey had been flying a dainty little guy, looking up at this thing in awe and just went, oh my god, a one-man troop carrier. Thought it was enormous by comparison.
The Hurricane on a go-round, the Sea Hurricane. These older engines have to be nursed very carefully. It's very important to cool them down after a bit of exercise. It's interesting, when we restored the Sea Hurricane back in the 1990s, was determined that we should put in a completely authentic replication of the original radiator, which is octagonal tube. At the time, there were only two factories in the world that made octagonal tube. One was in the West Midlands and one was in New Zealand. We got ours from New Zealand because the chap in the West Midlands said it wasn't worth turning the machine on. How did G-Hit survive? Well, G-Hit went to Russia. He's still here after serving. Here at the moment. There's still a lot of airframes here, but it's been very lovingly restored. The Sea Hurricane coming round now. The wind's changed slightly, so he's going to move around.
To protect Norway against German invasion, along with squadron gladiators. And gladiators obviously operated from a thing the size of the Glorious, no problem at all. And it was decided that the Hurricanes could be craned aboard and they could take off safely, but nobody said anything about them coming back. It was assumed they'd stay in Norway.